That is Americans Health Insurance Today, nationwide, really worldwide. I don't say that very often, but we're actually streamed worldwide, except mainland China. We still have not worked out the mainland China problem. My partner Paul is working on that, and let's hope that he can pull that one off. We are working on a little interplanetary stuff, but again, no success. But if there's a will, there's a way, and Paul will get it done. So if a little bit of luck, we'll be going interplanetary soon. Anyway, let's go on to the first question. Can the insurance company raise my rates? Well, they can. But they have to raise everybody else's at the same time. That's what I love about what we do. They cannot pick on you. They cannot isolate you and evaluate you from moment to moment, event to event, year to year, and say, you know, this guy's costing us a lot of money. So to me, that's about the fairest thing you can think of. You can get insurance today for $100. God forbid somebody, but it happens, gets diagnosed with anything life-threatening a month later, a week later, a day later, and you're covered. They're not going to pick on you and raise their rates. So when do they raise rates? They raise rates when you broach in age or when they lift them for everybody. It doesn't get any fairer than that. So when you turn 20, 25, it's really 18 to 25. Then it's 25 to 30 in every 5-year increments, all the way up to 60 years old. And so anyway, just know that they won't pick on you, and it's a fair system. You know, when they do raise rates, it's usually about 3, 4, or 5%. It's all about the actuaries. So in the end, they take a hard look at where the claims are coming in, and they make the adjustments. But very good question. I had insurance for the last 6 months. Hello, my name is Michelle. Hi, Michelle. I had insurance for the last 6 months. I got a letter in the mail asking me for medical records. Why now? Am I in trouble? That's a great question. I don't remember this question before. Are you in trouble? No. But what I'm going to speculate here, Michelle, is that you went and saw the doctor and something came up, a red flag for them, that wasn't on the application. And what they're saying is we're suspending coverage until we review. You know, everybody should know that they do as much underwriting after the fact as they do before. So underwriting is an ongoing thing. If they get a claim that looks suspicious, let me tell you, you know, they investigate everybody sooner or later in one form or another. So if they get a claim in that doesn't match what is in the system, a red flag goes up, they suspend coverage, and they send you a letter. All they want to do is confirm that you've told the truth. Like I just said, if you, not you, Michelle, but if somebody has an issue that comes up, you know, right after getting insured, as long as you told the truth, you're covered. So let me give you an example. I get customers that come to me and they say, you know, I haven't had health insurance in years, but I'm getting a little bit older, and I know it's the right thing to do, and I'm nervous about it because, you know, whatever. They've heard of things that come up, and they know that it could happen to them. So let me give you an example here is that what happens is that they suspend the coverage, and then ultimately they review the medical record, Michelle, to make sure that everything you put on the application was the truth. As long as it is, you're not going to have a problem. If you didn't tell them about a health condition and now you went to the doctor, it would be like having a blood pressure issue. You went to the pharmacy and you went to fill a blood pressure prescription. They're going to fill that prescription, but ultimately what's going to happen is you're going to get a letter like that. Now let me say this, do not cancel your insurance. Continue to pay the premium. In the worst case scenario, not I hope for you, Michelle, but what they would do is rescind your policy. And rescission, what they do is, and it could take a month or two before they get your insurance going again, what they do is they send you a letter, and they send back all of your money minus any claims you made. So you're not in trouble. Really what they're doing is just confirming that what you put on your application is exactly what's going on. So as I always tell everybody, we give them full disclosure. We tell them the whole truth. We don't deviate from the truth. That's why you get health insurance before you have a health condition, so that, you know, you're covered. And that's why we get health insurance. We're going to go ahead and break for a commercial right now, and we're going to be back in 60 seconds. Thank you.